Listen to her bat for YouTube. Now I say make I quick drop this one without makeup. If you sound like this, I the shit. I dey inside toilet the shit. All those nonsense where about talk, I the shit and throw away for toilet. I'm shitting it out. I can't smoke that. If I smoke that, go affect my dada. I will shit it out. But may I tell you? May I tell you? But when I'm using keke, I'm using mimi. Make I tell you, me stay less. They never born you off for this social media where I want fear. They never born you off for this social media. As far as say you don't they carry camera face yourself and I know your tongues, your mouth, your lips is full of lies. They never born you when I want fear. I no threat when I want bring come when I come the run scatter. But I'm treating your wife just the same way you treat this mother of three. I'm giving it back to your wife just the same way you give it to this mother of three. I might be a mother of attitude. I might look crazy. I might be playing. I might be doing something stupid. I might be doing like say I not get brain. But I'm not a pushover. I'm not the type whether they push around. I know what I'm doing. I'm not stupid. Say let the smoke it, but people they smoke it, but don't better for this life. Don't be surprised. People when they call Shema, their wife is molly before they go bed with their wife, their husband. But you not scare me. And you, the family of his wife, I beg. If you not bring una self on this matter, I go rubbish una for ground. If you not dare bring una self this matter. Because una ilo. If una the fear una ilo because he get money, I don't know money when I say he gets. If una say una get money, now they make una the fear now. Una want to add una ass. Join this political saga with the ground. Valentino family, we are doing political saga. Inside political saga, we they insult anybody who is senior us. You know how many people who are bad don't insult? For inside politics, Abba don't command me to insult people who have reached to born 100 times. Abba don't tell me say make I they do everything. So now one of the structure where Abba gave me during the election, now they use for us. So I will insult the hell out of him. You know understand? Just all of una, please. If you know, say you love yourself, you be ill. Stay out of this trouble. I'm not begging you. But if you want to bring yourself in, I am here. I go there, I go to spend the money, I go to work for follow on they go. I go to do the thing, I go to work. Anywhere I want to know someone want to arrest, I go to work follow on they go. If I run, man, die. If I run, man, set. If I run, man, colo. Anywhere when I know say this matter they go about, take it. I'm going there with you. You want to deal with me legally? Come with many proof. I still get your own tat. What are you telling me? Do you think because I tell you say I not get school, you can't say because say let's not go school. I better make up good my brother be my sister. Like this, I'm still better. I not get soft for face. The time where I take get soft for face don't finish. I am better. I am looking good. Okay? Now I say make I can't show this my real face to that about white family where want summon me to Okbetu, summon me to Jesus. May I can't show na my real face without makeup so that when I go see me, if you not see me for road, when I not go past me say this one not be stainless. Now maybe this. I go follow and go anywhere when I want to take me go. What it make you to say your sister see better pass me? Where they say my wife family and the way they are taking it. What make your sister better? What make her special than any other woman? If she's a mother, I'm a mother of three. She just retired yesterday. I don't date since 2004. They worry una. Mona job respect una. Say maybe I'm not bad. You just suffer. Do this our political saga. Mo will tell what you want see for instance. Mo take kind of task. John leave me with her battle. Abat ya me na ya gbele Morocco. Abat where is a gbole Morocco? Where is a gbole Morocco? What there is that the Morocco buy? You must buy me, bro. If I follow you, the waka. Anytime where I tell you say Abat I want to bully you, buy me bully, I they follow you, they go. Mona buy carton, mona buy kilo, mona go buy bag of it, go follow na self. Buy resla follow am. Buy bomb, the look boloko when get kita working. The look boloko. Buy bone, buy a lot of bone. You know, say I be bone. I be your dog. Buy many bone, follow me, so that if you not they carry me, they go. If I they woo, you give me bone. If I say, you give me bone. If I say, you give me bone. Ah, what bet you are when I bat. Ah, what bet you are. My way. Anyway, we be aji memma. You want to rubbish the less name as she don't rubbish her name by herself. You go the rubbish your own they go. You go the rubbish people where value you they go. Your wife family now they are coming. They are coming slowly to the reggae. Very soon now maybe your whole family now all of them will come to the reggae. Me I not get person where I want call for you. My mama not they come. My brother not they come. My sister not they come. Now just me alone. Just me. Now me go they follow now they do the thing. I know they call Nigeria because I they work. I am working. I dey work, my pikin dey go school. I no fit give pikin to government again for the second time. Say I wan go do saga for Nigeria now. Wait, holiday dey come. Summer holiday, but I dey come home. Summer holiday, I dey come. I dey come. I'm very proud. Why I no go proud? Why I no go proud? Say I dey smoke it, but you know how much for 1 gram? Why I no dey proud? Say I dey smoke it, but do you know how much for the gram? You know that my money what they smoke it, but for a week go build your house. They crazy. Why I no proud? Say I dey smoke. It costs me money. Who not get money, not the smoke. If you don't get money, you smoke, you go be junkie. As I wake up this morning, I don't take vitamin C for this morning. Are you mad? I do it. I will not hide it because of any motherfucker. Doctor, where they treat you for hospital for Europe, yeah, they bully. You they feel me so? Army, where they fight for your justice, where they go the war, go war, and then they bully. Police officer, where they stand for judge on the bully. Judge, where one judge your case for us for court, they bully. Lawyer, where you give your case to it, they bully. You dey get me point so. Your pastor dey bully before you come altar. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Say na wetin happen. Say na wetin happen. Now you want deal with me legally. I like that legally part where they call. You not tell me say you want go fly. You not tell me say you want go give me to native doctor. You not tell me say you want go give me to ayakila. You not tell me say you want go give me to person where get gun. You not tell me say you want give me to rapist. You want to deal me with legally. I'm ready. I am ready. That day I did. Let me go to school. Maybe through you people go no say stay like guests. And maybe through you, as me when you through you taste of saga. Maybe through you, others that are looking down on me, they will not have show that to respect me. Let's do it. But I am ready for you. Tell your wife, say, now what you dash me? It's too heavy for me. I have to share with us, my fellow woman, as a fellow mother. Okay, I am not married. I am a single mother of 3, and I'm not searching. Okay, but tell your wife, say soup where you are. Tell your wife, say soup where you cook too many now share with them to eat. Tell your wife, say mom where you cook too many now we gonna take shop gari. Imi aju where men we are veggie member. Me tell your wife go enter this live video. Me, I go drag her enter this live video. We are me. Me are seeing level. Since you say that jealousy, greediness, selfishness, now they worry you. Yeah, tia ya hawe. I go use that to tire you. I go use that to tire you. Yeah, hawe. Go and tell anybody. Imara we ma do woji. Walk boru no so gbome. Walk ware me be governor na ya mio. Ibe ya mio na ya mio ma no enegbe. A governor no enegbe. A governor no ujioma. A governor no ya ugboma. A governor ye na ya utiloma. A governor no chama le muroko. A governor na ka we akia no master no office ni. Ona reme office ona gume ona kamana kama ni gwe ni uni. Ina we no gwe ni uni. Ina support ina gbe na sone. Ina ku no na hu no na lawa. Ona ve jemera na we USA de ni ya de ba wa gbe be ni. Ona gbe Gmegume, uwe bene governor Gmegume ni ga yon gbon, owo ari ulo kwa daba, uwe to ki awu bai, abat we am wu. Abat we am wu. We am wu ni wu, am veni vie. Meru we ma, mo na gba no yokbele. Mo na gba no yokbele. Egbe megbe whatever you call me, however you see me, it's none of my business. What is my business is the saga I just bought. I need to treat it with caution. But bring it up. Okay? Before that's the fear, not the fear. Before that's the fear, stay less not the fear. See now waiting, say now waiting happen, rubbish, nonsense, a rat nonsense. See you can't shake me, I can't fear. Vioere, you say no woman get value for your side. You know the respect any single woman. I walk at genocide, your man no ban where my bug, but won't ban where you no ban where any who can then no my which name you never called your wife? Which name? Come on, no my Yeah, my wife family. If she doesn't know the family where my wife come from, if she know the family where my wife come from, she can remember you are trapped. Don't calm that down. Abba, stop calming your ilo. Stop calming your ilo. Stop calming them. Let them come out. Make they conjure me back like dog. I felt tell you say maybe they also now you know them. I felt talk and say maybe they be dog like me. I don't know. Bring them out. Let all of them come and be Bible of us come and be back in here. They worry you. Your wife family. Your wife family. Which wife family? They bring that nonsense. I know they marry again. Castro, no more rouge. Maybe your word me bien. You just me hacking. I'm a mother of 3. Maybe your word I know they marry again. I want flesh. I want enjoy. I want saneke. I want duduvaga. I want bully. I want play. I want play to my fullness. I want enjoy life to my fullness. Maybe your word say what I forgot to word. Now you make a black boy. My lele bono here many. So they worry you. If I not see black boy with carry person like me, I'm not gonna see black Oviedo. I'm not gonna see Binima. I'm not gonna see Igbo. I'm not see Hausa. I'm not see Calabar. I'm not see skin way black way marry me. I go they follow Igbo way don't old. I am a lalo mo he. I will my way I am a lalo. Here I release here. So they worry you. So they worry you. Maybe I want batty a win where my batty can't come here. In my batty can't come here. Ha! Why you have a friend if you want to go let's say what batty where you buy or maybe you got batty you buy or your buy nonsense you will never. If that user bad stop to be greedy, to be jealous, to be selfish, to be looking down on people, to be sabotaging people, to be discriminating people, or how bad to make me calm down for smoking Igbo. One of the two. That's what it will be. Your nonsense will be never. Why? What you know the reason? I know they marry again. Marry your word though. Your other brother not get level. Castro and no Morujo go better brother where you are. Your other brother will not get prick. Or to not David, your other brother will be a David, you decrease. That your other brother will prick not they work. Now one married person like still away the same on time. They worry you. Maggie, yeah. I know they go word. You do word. You go lot do. I know one marry. If you be one marry me, don't come. Ya be pepe. You be na we be no woman. Hey be na. 1 million I will log nonsense. They come, I day here. You have yare, go pack all of the corn. Go pack all of the corn, I day here. Go and invite. Even you get many big men where get money, will be politician. Bring all of the nobody. I don't want marry. I don't want marry. Me you come out there. You go lot do. Mary yeah. We am we blabber now we am. Why am say let's no big boy Bano, I not carry. One was less no no. One no me I know they go. You go yanni. E bore me no here man. Ya work by one knew what I mean like. I what be you are. Go tell about me. Go bring the coin. My yard work boy with Facebook. I just want to let you know. Say I hear your message. Make I tell you. Say I know the fear. About tell your wife family. Say I know the fear. Now what you give me and give to their sister. Tell the same name where you call me now, call their sister. Tell the same the market where you shade me now, carry their sister, come on, that sell. Tell your in-laws. Tell your in-laws, say, if person don't marry, everything we see for my husband has they bear and make their sister bear. Tell your in-laws, say, if they don't marry, not where person body not they see for husband has. Tell the same their sister is welcome to husband house. Their sister is welcome to Facebook husband house. Facebook. She just get married on my platform. Okay? Tell your sister like that. Tell your sister say na dog where bat buy. I bite dog on social media to do campaign. Tell her say na the dog where bite buy. Now they bite everybody they go. If na not take I go even bite mama with bond the wife. More na no one sister. More na rest stay for this matter. More na living with her back. Una say I dey fear una. Na say I dey fear una. Now no hear say when I bad they call the mother the grandmother of my children say na muda na wish. Can Abba say na me talk when I bat ya dey prove ni aka marriage ije no ejeri me wu dano. When I bat dey prove ni aka marriage zeno. When I bat dey prove they can ma when I batai. Let's go and bring the proof. Let's bring the evidence. Me go bring and come out. Wa mama bat ga ro we prove a platform okay. Abi wa when we get the water man no. Oh na ro you believe say na say let's tell that thing abi. Oh you just walk and bat where Jake gbese no go ya work poloto. You just walk and bat mother-in-law. You know bat in-law. You know stay away now make I not use you to rub ground. You know tell your children make they stay away from this matter now. I tell me when you akpa my ya way ya rob ken. My ya way ya rob ken. Ima ye Morocco ya wae. Susu wa gole Morocco ni street wa na gole Morocco. Susu wa gole Morocco le se Morocco ni ya ga logo wa na gole Morocco. If no Morocco wa me ga wae. Take me to court. I'll tell the judge. Say I am high. I don't high. You high me. I don't smoke. All of my nose like body worry me. More they do. Abba say we so to na fi peg yo gba ni me bio me hana. Ubi abat. Kene doba no wi fun we de ogbaja bat amudiawa. Kene doba no wi fun we de ogbaja bat amudiawa. I know they marry young. No one young so baze ogun ogbo a abi ogun ogbo jeju wa o. I no wan marry. Na by force to marry. No wan marry. I know the go as my house. I know they go. Una no hear am when about they use the man pla pla pla. No be president be abi. Oh, e wa laro. Ilo. Mola stay away from this matter. Abbas Illa, Mola stay away from this matter because this matter is a political saga. This matter is a political saga and we will saga it until Abbas be start to the jealous people. We will saga it until Abbas start to the greedy. We will saga this saga until Abbas start to the act like a married woman. I be married. Even a married woman, they really be. I want your Abbas, your wife family. What can I can ya? Now your wife at the beat. If they say I said their sister too small to beat, make the journal. My family no be where they but why so I mean no why give me a. I not get family where one can fight you. None of them is coming out because you don't reach their level. We must say level family mokpa no la dia dogu egun. None of them. Men makpa mo jinya ju no regbe. Na me be only that one wey be say it dey cause trouble. Na me mo jinya ju nu. Na me dey draw their leg come out. Na me dey like to dey make people dey throw mat go dey give them. You not reach their level. You not reach. They are not coming out for you. But if your wife family say they want to join you, maybe that time your consistency person will go answer you. No come away we are. I gbọ́ bí ọkàn náà wọlé Morocco náà ọ̀tẹ́mẹ́ náà ilẹ̀kẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́. Morocco náà wá sí náà wáyé ẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ò ayọ̀ kò kìí ẹ̀kíá. Ọmọ sí Morocco ya mọ́mọ́ fún àbẹ̀ desert. Ọmọ sí Morocco máa mọ́mọ́ fún àbẹ̀ sí Morocco. Ọgbà sí Morocco ya ẹ̀ ẹgbẹ̀mọ́lé Morocco náà ẹgbẹ̀mọ́lé Morocco. Wá gẹ́gẹ́ ni wọ́n mi náà kàmọ́ náà gbìyànlé Morocco. Wá gẹ́gẹ́ ni wọ́n mi náà tàmà gẹ́ gbìyànlé Morocco. Wọ́n mi náà tàmà wẹ̀. Don't kill my Igbo smoker. Don't kill my Igbo smoker. Awa beyoa. Obviously, I'm you one educate no cake ba awa beyoa bat. Awa beyoa. Tamuhanga awa beyoa. The crazy, you call me dog. You they call your wife. Your wife is a dog. Your wife is a slut.